Hello, today I am here to review this shower caddy for kids' toys. Excuse my dirty shower. I've been trying to clean it up as best I can while I'm trying to get these reviews out as quickly as possible so people can really see how this stuff works. Now, this is by Munchkin. This is a corner caddy. It has a drainage system down here on the bottom. I'll close this up, let you see all around this bad boy. Suction in the corner, right there at the edge for the back corner. Another one on the other side for that corner, and another one there at the top. Very easy to use. Now, this isn't very large, so it's ideal for smaller spaces. Let me suction this up on here. And it's easy as you just saw. I'm not going to do the back ones right now that level it in. It's not wet, so it might not stick because I haven't wet my cups right now. And I'm trying to, there we go. And keep in mind, you know, I did not do my back one, so it's not level, because these back two that I originally showed you in the back did not put in. But even without those, I mean, this is still going to hold toys. Like, you don't have to have those in there. And I only put two of my daughter's little boats down in there. This thing is great though. This keeps toys at a minimal. And if you're like me and you have what I call my squishies, they go in there great too. Everything drains, so it's not just sitting there getting gross. Overall, I'd say that this product is amazing. I don't have, well, I should rather say I haven't seen many products that offer that underneath, like I was just showing you, the underneath drainage. So to me, that is wonderful. That's gonna save from having mold, mildew. The only concern I have is right in here, if yours isn't angled, it's gonna build up water and residue. But I don't really have any issues with that, so I can't really say anything about it. It's just if you don't have an angle, it might cause some issues. Otherwise, it's very easy to install, as you just watched me do with one hand literally as I'm recording. Very easy to use. There's no cleaning to it, so that's not a worry. Overall, I love it. My daughter loves it. Great product by Munchkin. If you don't have one, you should probably go out and get one. I'll show you from the side. It is a low profile, but again, keep in mind, I didn't put in those back ones yet. It was just a quick snap up so you could see what it looks like and how it works. And there you go. There you have it.